Hello to you, and thanks so much for joining us today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady, and for people who suffer from sinus infections, they can be debilitating, and they can certainly affect the quality of life from those who suffer from them. Fortunately, Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates has a procedure that has been helping many patients find relief, and Dr. Kosnik joins us today from Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates. Good to see you.
Thank you.
You've been doing this procedure in your office now for 5 years. Talk about some of the common symptoms that you're treating with this.
Patients typically come because they want improvement in their nasal obstruction. They have nasal discharge and postnasal drainage, and they have a lot of facial pain and pressure, and all these things have not been relieved with other techniques.
So how does this procedure address these symptoms?
Well, by bringing them into the office, we perform the procedure in a way that opens the sinuses, making them less symptomatic in a way that's not as inconvenient for patients.
And it's a procedure that we've heard you talk about before. I've kind of done some study before. This is really, I mean, it's providing a lot of relief for people, but in addition to that, how is this different from other procedures, and how is this better for patients?
Well, in the properly selected patient that meets indications for the procedure, we bring them in the office, so it's done in a very convenient and way that provides them a quicker recovery.
And when you talk about that recovery, I want to talk a little bit about that part of it. What's the recovery like after, and what are the results afterwards for patients as well?
Well, the results are the best part. Patients, it's very fulfilling because they almost universally say they wish they would have done this years ago. You know, their symptoms are much more improved, and it was an easier recovery than they expected, much less pain and discomfort.
And when it comes, and that's the big thing right there, is the fact that they can do the procedure, pain and discomfort, and they're really back to normal, or back on their feet, I should say, pretty quickly.
Yeah. So there's less pain, there's less bleeding. Traditional sinus surgery has pain and packing, and it's very uncomfortable
Packing,
for
that was the
patients.
word that's been kind of sitting in the back of my brain this whole time we've been talking. I'm like, it sounds like a lot of packing to do this, but that's not what it is.
So that's almost universally avoided, so patients do not have that inconvenience afterward.
What is the unique experience at Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates for a patient?
Well, I think by doing the procedure in the office, we provide patients a cost-effective and convenient way of having a procedure that almost universally improves their symptoms, and it allows them to get back to their life pretty quickly, so they're not down and recovering for a long period of time.
It's got to be rewarding for you as well, a procedure that you've been working on and you continue to improve on it, but just to be able to see so many patients find relief and know that you're doing something that really changes people's lives.
Oh, it's the best part of everything, you know, when they appreciate their symptom relief that they couldn't get any other way.
It's why you became a doctor.
That's right.
If you want to talk to Dr. Kosnik and his team at Mountain Ear, Nose, and Throat Associates, you suffer from sinus infections, this is a procedure that is providing relief for patients. You can learn more about it at mountainent.com. That's mountainent.com. Better yet, call 828-586-7474. Schedule consultation, appointment, learn more, and locations right there on your screen. That's the great thing about it, is you have so many locations that help so many patients. mountainent.com. Great to have you here, and thanks for all you're doing for all these great patients, man.
Thank you very much.
I know you're really helping them.
Yeah.
Always great to have you along here today for Spotlight Carolina. I'm Mark Cady, and until next time, take care.